哎，可以帮我看一下吗？好啊。
Hi, 大家好. Welcome to Mandarin with Miss Lim. So today I'm going to show you 5 ways to give quick responses in Chinese. But why this topic? Is this important? Yes, because this is a technique that is going to add a natural feel in your conversation, no matter what levels you have. And I recommend you to use this technique to keep the conversation going and most importantly to make people believe your Chinese is better than it actually is. Okay? So let's get started. The first one is with a gentle nod. It shows people that we're listening to them, we are focusing on them, and it encourages people to keep talking.
喂。
It also means yes. For example, 哎，今天是星期三吗？
哎，今天星期天吗
Okay. And then the second one is 好. It means okay, sure, let's do this. For example, 哎，可以帮我看一下吗？ Can you check that out for me? 好. Or you can also add 啊 o next to 好. So it becomes 好哦，好啊，可以帮我看一下吗？好哦，好啊。
哎，可以帮我看一下吗？好啊。
This makes your conversation sound very friendly. In Taiwan, we tend to use this to shorten the distance with other person. Okay? This is a very important technique. This is also a way to accept an invitation. 你要去看电影吗？好，好 or 好啊，好啊 Okay? And then the third one is 对 Yes, you've got a point. That's right. Okay? This also can keep the conversation going. 对 And then the next one 真的吗？真的吗？真的 real 吗 is for yes and no question. This is to show the other person that we are surprised or we are very impressed. 啊，真的吗？ Okay? Or you can say 真的假的？真的假的？真的 real 假的 fake. Is it real or fake? Which means, is it true or not? 真的假的？
喂。啊，真的吗？真的假的？
However, this is very casual. We only say this with friends. Especially in Taiwan, we like to say that among young people. Okay? And then the last one is 哦，懂了。哦，懂了。So 哦 is an interjection. It shows the other person that you realize something that you didn't before. Now you do. You understand that. You get it. 哦，懂了。哦，懂了。I get that. Okay? So that's it for today. What do you think about today's topic? If you know any other quick responses that you use often, please share with me in the comment section. And if you have questions, feel free to let me know, okay? Thank you, 谢谢你们，拜拜。